This is how much YouTube actually pays you for 1,000 views. If you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, this is a really good metric to identify and understand. It's revenue per 1,000 views, or RPM. I'm going to go into that a little bit more in depth in this video. I'm going to show you how to identify what it is, where to find it, and what it actually means for your channel. So first off then, I'm going to jump straight on over into my laptop. And the first thing we're going to be looking at then is what is RPM. So RPM is actually known as revenue per milli, or revenue per 1,000 views. It's a metric that represents how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views in YouTube's terms. So you as the creator. Now, how do you calculate revenue per minute? You don't have to worry about that. I'm going to show you a very easy way of finding out what your RPM is, and this will vary from channel to channel. But you do this by dividing your estimated earnings by the number of ad impressions you receive, then multiplying it by 1,000. And what is RPM, or revenues per milli, on YouTube? There's a difference between RPM and CPM. RPM is what the creator will receive, the revenue, and the CPM is the cost metric. It's actually how much advertisers are willing to spend on ads, and this varies drastically in accordance with whichever country they are advertising in. So I'm going to dive into my channel analytics. Now, the first thing is you need to be earning from ad revenue. So this just means you've either earned in the last year over 4,000 hours of watch time, and you've actually surpassed the 1,000 subscriber mark. Once you do that, you can actually flick on monetization. I have done another video on when I got monetized and what that meant for this channel. But all I'm going to do now is go into my analytics and then just scroll down, just see how well my top videos have been performing. So I'm going to click on, so the last 28 days, I'm going to click on my top performing video, which is the Zoom webinar tutorial. So I'm going to click on that and then click on monetization. Now I've currently got it turned off, but if you were to then switch on, or if you've just monetized your channel and then you wanted to switch on monetization, you can just do it by clicking on the video itself. You have to do it video by video, and then clicking on the check mark on, and then next. It asks, does your video contain all of these different things? Now this is just censoring. Have a look through these, but my advice would be to click on none of the above, or comment which ones and then submit. Now this is just saying that ads are now turned on for this actual video. Now place ads during video mid-roll. So what does that mean? Google will actually play ads pre-roll and post-roll once you have ads turned on for a specific video, but you can also turn them on for mid-roll and then click save. That just means that any videos over the length of 8 minutes, you can actually have an ad placed in the middle of your video. Now I'm just going to jump straight back over into my dashboard and click on analytics. Let's look at the last completed month of May, as we are in the month of June now. I'm just going to have a look at May, and then obviously YouTube will give you an overview of your estimated revenue. So my estimated revenue for the month of June was $136. Now you can actually drill down into each video and just to see how much each video has earned you. So let's have a look at this Loom tutorial. Let's have a look at the month of May, and then let's have a look and just to see how much revenue. So this has actually generated the revenue of the month of May. This one video alone has actually generated $9.05. Now, point to note, this is not the RPM, as we've had over 1,800 views over the month of May. I'm just going to show you how to find your RPM in batch. But before I do, the RPM will vary significantly depending on your channel, the niche of your channel, and what videos you're actually putting out there into the world. So in order to find the RPM of your channel and your channel's videos, I'm going to head back on over into my dashboard and then click on analytics. And then I'm just going to click on advanced mode. Now, this is your channel's dashboard in the analytics mode. And again, I'm making sure I'm selecting the month of May. And then we have content here. All the standard columns you got down here: views, watch time, subscribers, estimated revenue, and impressions. If you want to see your RPM, you simply click on the plus and then find where it says revenue, and under revenue you've got the CPM, but I would always go for the RPM. This is the revenue that you as a creator are earning from your channel. So again, for the whole month of May, this top value is $9.82. This is the mean or the average of all of my videos that I've put out. So it's $9.82, almost $10 per 1,000 views. So I'm quite happy with that. As you can see, some videos giving me $6, $15, $5.15. This one has actually given me $20 per 1,000 views. And again, if I have a scroll down, $20 is probably one of my better ones. But then if you want to have a look at another month, so let's go for another completed month. Let's look at April. Again, running ads throughout the month of April. RPM, an average of 1066. So it's in and around about that $10 mark. So I could probably say with some accuracy that my channel would be currently generating around $10 RPM, or revenue per mil, or revenue per 1,000 views. I'm just gonna have a look down here. I've spotted another one. This one here, this Riverside tutorial here, $44 per mil. So $44 per 1,000 views. So this is probably my best performing video for generating ad revenue. So what does this all mean then? If you are looking to grow a YouTube channel to generate revenue, it's a really good indicator to actually know and understand what RPM is and what your current average channel RPM is, and which videos actually do best with the highest RPM, if your primary focus is to earn revenue from a YouTube channel. But if you followed any kind of content from me before, ad revenue is not my primary focus. My primary focus is to build a solid, sustainable business off the back of a YouTube channel. And if this interests you at all, I have a free on-demand workshop that talks and walks you through my entire business model, the 3 main steps any online business needs. You can get access today by heading to timpeakman.com/workshop. And if you are a YouTube partner, and if you are earning money from YouTube in terms of ad revenue, go ahead and have a look at what your average RPM is, or your best RPM. I'd love to know in the comments to this video. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/workshop. Look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.